until now that everyone is unique. So they're unique in their own way. So they have the power over themselves. Don't let others have the power over you. Because I think at the end of the day, they're competing with themselves. And don't forget to have fun. Because I think that's one of the reasons why I enjoyed my journey during my time. And, it's hard work, focus, and having fun. So those three formula, I think, will be the best way for the girls to have.
And I was talking to some of them na first timers, not veterans. Sabi nila, ikaw yung inspiration nila. Because you weren't really a favorite when you came in. So what tips would you give for those girls who are maybe newcomers and wanting to win like you did?
It was my first time joining Miss Universe Philippines. But I had it set in my mind that you don't really have to peak at the right time. You always have to peak. So you always have to set your best foot forward. If you have a dream, always aim for that because it will only lead you to getting that crown. No matter what happens naman at the end, with or without a crown, there's so much for you to learn. You can still try again. Your dreams doesn't stop here. There's so much for you to do. Beauty queens are always reinvented into something new. So I'm excited for these girls. If they see themselves in me, then I think I'm doing the best job in the world.
I was one of the judges during She was shy. So we never know really. At that time of the night, who's gonna win. And Destiny as well. Being part of it.
Yun po ang naging pahayag ni Miss Universe 2013 third runner-up Ariela Arida dito sa kanyang interview dahil today po ay introduction or opening na po ng MUPH Miss Universe Philippines 2025 na kung saan ay nakita or nakilala natin ang ilan sa mga maging contestant ng MUPH 2025 na pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat. So base dito sa naging interview ni Ariela Arida ay target niya ang 5th Miss Universe crown at umaasa siya na sa batch na ito ay magkakaroon ng panglimang korona ang ating bansa. So mga kapolitika, napalitan na po itong si Shamsi Supsup dahil siya po ay tumatakbo dito sa politika. So itong si Ariela Arida ang pinalit bilang National Director kasi meron din naman siyang napatunay, naging third runner-up siya doon sa Miss Universe 2013 na ginanap sa Moscow, Russia. So ano ba yung ating maging reaksyon dito sa bagong National Director ng MUPH 2025? Ang maging reaksyon ko lang po mga kapolitika ay sana merong maging pagbabago dito sa patakaran ng MUPH, most especially na ilang taon na po tayong hindi nakakapasok sa top 5. So baka ngayon somehow ay magkakaroon ng pagbabago or turn of events. Kasi naalala ko lang dati itong si Shamsi Supsup nung siya pa ang National Director ng Miss Universe Philippines ay marami ang nagpoprotesta sa kanya, most especially pag hindi nakakapasok yung ating mga kandidata sa top 5. Okay, so and the fact na merong napatunayan itong si Ariela Arida sa kanyang pagkapanalo bilang third runner-up at the same time matagal na siya sa mundo ng beauty pageant ay ma-share niya yung kanyang expertise kung sino ba yung dapat na ipadala, dapat nakilatising mabuti yung standard ng Miss Universe organization ngayong taon kasi merong mga balibalita at mga sabi-sabi po mga kapolitikan. Ang hinahanap daw nila ngayon ay yung good speaker daw ang hinahanap ng Miss Universe organization para sa Miss Universe 2025. At ito po yung ating mga abangan sa mga susunod na araw ngayong nagsimula na ang Miss Universe 2025. Okay, so kung kayo ang tatanungin mga kapolitika, ano ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa naging pahayag ni Ariela Arida na kung saan ay uhaw na uhaw po ang ating bansa dito sa panglimang korona ng Miss Universe. Sa tingin nyo ba ay nakikitaan nyo ba na sa batch na ito may malakas tayong pambato para sa ikalimang korona ng Pilipinas? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.